We talk about love, life, and everything beautifully messy in between. Saugata and Mayank, welcome to Probashi Potpuri.
6.5 years into our relationship, we came out to our parents. Everyone's coming out is very, very different, unique. And so there is no one thing that fits all. Towns, हमारे parents को ये चीज के बारे में पता ही नहीं था.
I'm getting goosebumps thinking what you would have gone through.
We used to say that we will never come out.
So how does this? So when you were talking about, so ये तो acceptance हो गया कि चलो family ने accept कर दिया. I'll come to the other part of the acceptance a little later because I'm pretty intrigued about the parenthood right now. Because the day I met you first time, that just touched my heart like hell. I'm like, wow, you guys. That's why I said pioneers of love. You know why? Because you've taken it to a level, not just being selfish कि भाई हम हैं और हम हैं, you know. It's literally मुझे आज भी वो ज़माना याद आता है जहाँ पे लोग बोलते थे हम दो हमारे दो. पता नहीं वो एक होता था ना, कुछ टैगलाइन होता था. आज ज़माना बदल गया. That's a different thing. But if I am given to understand, you have two amazing, lovely munchkins, right?
4.
तो 4, yes, 4. So वो उसके बारे में मुझे बताओ. Whether Mayank says or Saugata, whichever part, जो भी आपको
Talk about
I'll
that.
start with the four-legged ones.
Yes, ठीक है. And you will talk about the other two. Yes.
So the eldest one, Zico, he came into our life when we were, I think, 6 months into our relationship.
Acha.
So we got him, and he was our first kid.
It's a Labrador.
Yeah,
Is
he's
a lab.
Labrador.
Oh, they're so friendly. I need to meet this one.
So he was this, I think, 30 days old when we
Acha.
got him.
30 days.
Okay, how cute.
And then during the COVID, we rescued Tintin,
Okay.
an indie dog.
Oh wow,
So
that's amazing.
And then came the other ones.
So they are like, we forever we believe that our 4-legged babies, our furry babies are our firstborns.
Yeah.
Yes.
And they'll always be like
Yeah,
that.
वो
So-
रहेगा.
And now coming to our 2-legged
Yeah.
babies. So I think one of the things which was of the things that we were saying that we were very fundamentally similar from our construct, one of the things was that we always wanted to become fathers,
Both of you.
both of us.
And this you figured out when you were
Well, when we
obviously
when
in
we
a
started
journey
to know
of
each other,
conversations.
right? So
अच्छा,
I think that is
that's
something
beautiful.
which is
मगर
very.
एक अगर नहीं है,
हाँ, तो
so then to convince the
becomes
other becomes a little
थोड़ा
difficult.
थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है,
Yes,
थोड़ा
yes.
डिफरेंट हो जाता है
Different
journey.
हो जाता है because it's almost like convince कर दिया
Correct,
मुझे,
correct.
मन तो नहीं था.
हाँ,
But this is amazing.
और
Both of
ये
you
डिसीजन
were.
ऐसा है ना कि इसमें बेमन से लिया हुआ फैसला सही नहीं होता.
It's going to impact the.
Right, it's
It's
an
gonna impact the
irreversible
children.
decision. You are bringing a
Absolutely.
life to the
Yes.
world, and a lot changes, right?
Right,
So unless
yeah.
you need to sign up for it only when you are absolutely ready, right?
And this decision of becoming parents, when did this happen?
Okay, so always we wanted to do this.
Always you wanted to
right?
do it,
So
huh?
what happened during COVID, the first lockdown when it was announced, for the first time until then in our relationship, we were stuck in 2 different places. He had gone home.
Oh.
He was stuck in Modinagar. I was in Bangalore with my parents, and that time it was only my the first 4-legged
Yeah,
baby.
okay.
So, and with my parents, and this was the first time we were stuck away from each other, and the times were very, very unpredictable, right? So anything could have
No
happened.
one knew how long, first of all.
And
वो
plus,
तो-
no one knew whether we will end up seeing each
नहीं,
other ever
वो
in our
भी,
life
yeah,
again.
that is there.
So वो
All
reality
kind
था.
of fear, yeah.
तो उस समय हम जब फोन पे बात करते थे तब हमने मतलब and by then our parents had also accepted
Yeah,
us and all
yeah.
that journey had
हाँ,
happened.
हाँ.
So तब हम बात करते थे आपस में और हमें लगता था कि यार लाइफ इतनी अनप्रेडिक्टेबल है, हम बैठ के सोचते रहते हैं और दुनिया मतलब कुछ अलग ही
Oh,
somebody
okay, so you already had this dream which
Correct.
you wanted to live.
Correct. So we saw
Okay.
that अगर हमें ये चाहिए, right? So rather do it, right? You
Yeah,
know, and why
than
not-
waiting
than
for the
waiting.
right time to
Correct.
happen.
And then we did not want ki like when we are 60 and 70 and then we
हाँ,
look back
and then
at
you
life
regret.
and say that oh wish
अरे
we
ये
had done
करते
this.
regrets
Right.
नहीं होने चाहिए.
On regrets,
Right.
like so this is one of the things which we both believe in. Like in life we normally regret things which we have not done than things which we have done.
Absolutely,
Right?
I agree. So you know why this podcast happened because of that कि मुझे regret नहीं
नहीं
करना है,
करना
मुझे
है,
करना
right?
है तो मुझे
तो
ये सपना
फिर-
को जीना है. Yes.
Correct. तो फिर हमने अपने पेरेंट्स से बात करी of course because this was a decision which is a very
Required.
important decision
Yes.
and we wanted to take their points of view as well.
And in fact, when I was there in my hometown, my mother was also like,
कर लो.
बच्चे करने हैं तो अभी कर लो.
How
We also
sweet.
want them to.
And they also
They
want to
be
feel the
Part of our
grandparents.
journey,
They
yeah.
wanted to help us in this journey of bringing up the kids,
yes.
right? Is it
Oh, how wonderful.
Yeah, so they
I
were
must
like,
meet your parents also, right? हाँ.
so they were like कि हम भी बूढ़े हो रहे हैं,
Yeah.
right? And we're not getting younger,
Yeah.
you know, by the day, and so we want to help, right? We also want to,
And
you know, be
once they hit the septuagenarian
absolutely,
stage,
yeah, yeah.
उसके बाद they only have this thing कि grandchildren हो तो
हाँ,
we will
हाँ,
be
हाँ,
helping
बिल्कुल,
you,
बिल्कुल,
and they're still able to do it.
बिल्कुल,
उसके
physically
बाद
they
से
were,
बहुत
हाँ,
मुश्किल
so-
हो जाता है.
So that's when we, you know, started seriously contemplating.
हाँ.
We of course evaluated adoption as well, because that is not something which we were close to. So I don't like, we both of us didn't have this बच्चा अपने DNA का होना चाहिए, ऐसा कुछ नहीं, बच्चा अपना होना चाहिए, वही था बस.
अच्छा.
और हर बच्चा अपना होता है. So we also explored adoption as a route. However, adoption in India
would take a long time.
is
Takes
a
3 to 5 years, or
very-
can take 3 to 5
by then
years.
फिर वो
By
वो
then, you
dream
know,
will again वो dream ही push कर रहे हो ना.
plus, you know, our parents' part, right? They were like aging,
Yeah.
Not
right?
getting younger.
Right?
Yeah, not
so
getting
we
younger
wanted to do
anything,
it
yeah.
faster. And a friend of ours in Chennai, he had also become a father through surrogacy,
Okay.
and
okay.
he was expecting his kids.
Okay. So
And
that helped you to understand.
Yeah.
He
He also
helped us
pushed.
and pushed us. Ki,
So basically, I mean, sorry to interrupt you. So basically, you just thought of parenthood, but you didn't know how. You
Correct.
didn't know whether we'll adopt,
Yeah.
whether we will have through
Correct.
surrogacy. Acha, so this happened after your friend gave you the confidence
so
कि
we-
this is
हमने-
easier
Easier.
method probably.
हाँ, it had its own, of course, and it's
Of
more
course, the pros
expensive.
and cons तो सब में
Yeah.
रहेगा.
Faster
The
method.
faster method.
Yeah.
Faster
And
method.
the thing was that, you know, the surrogacy laws of our country were up for a change.
Oh,
Right,
okay.
so it
Uh-huh.
was, and you know, it was passed in one of the houses,
Uh-huh.
the lower or the upper.
Okay,
We
and
don't
when was
remember
this?
that.
Which,
It was.
you're talking about the
I'm
COVID
talking
time?
about. I'm
COVID
talking about
time.
2020.
2020.
हाँ, solid COVID, हाँ.
Right, so
हाँ.
it is 2020 time, and the law was supposed to get changed.
अच्छा.
Right, so this friend of ours told us that if you want to opt for surrogacy, you should explore now, because the laws will change, and it will change
Oh.
anytime.
Oh.
Right,
So again,
now
it
if
might
it
be a
changes,
roller
then-
coaster for you.
Then it is not
Huh.
going to be possible.
Possible.
Right, so and then we quickly decided that we'll go for surrogacy.
अच्छा.
And for all your viewers, the law now has changed.
अच्छा.
The law changed
अच्छा,
in
it's
December
changed.
2021, which
Okay.
now does not allow single men to have kids through surrogacy.
Really?
Yeah, and in some cases, you know, of course, women are still allowed, but there are some rules to it.
अच्छा.
And so single
And
men.
where are the rules laid down?
December 2021 is when the
And you had taken the decision before that.
before that our kids arrived in June 2021.
Oh wow. Okay.
So we were blessed that way that we
yeah.
could take
नहीं
that
तो कैसे
decision
करते
in
अभी
time,
ना? हाँ.
right? So the law has
See,
changed
everything happens.
for a reason. And
Reason,
it's-
and they say
it's a
if you're
time.
at the right time at the right place, things will happen the right way. Yeah.
So yeah, I think
Amazing.
that's how
The surrogacy.
that's how the
and,
surrogacy thing happened, and yeah, and we welcomed our son and our daughter
Yeah. Oh, so you
into
have
our lives.
Wow.
So you know, so that is, and you know, as they say, right?
So who's older? Who's
So our son is older.
acha?
So and it is like it just happened.
What's the gap between the two?
So you know, so they are twins. So they are, you know, so it's a 2-3 minutes gap between the two of them, and yeah. So I think as they say, right, you know, and life changed
Yeah.
from the day we held them in
You
our hands,
held them
right?
in your hand.
And it was all COVID time, and it was. I remember like we going into
Yeah.
the hospital with the
With
PPE
PPE
kit,
kit,
with
Oh
the
my
face
God.
shield, and
And the new.
And the new
My
gloves and
God,
all
the
everything.
newborns. तो मतलब और भी the stress and the.
but we were very
But,
you know, we were like, I think when we were expecting,
You were very positive
we were very
about
positive.
everything.
We had great support from our
Amazing.
family,
This is
our sisters, our friends,
everyone
right? You know,
came and
our
stood by
friends
you.
who were mothers, who were fathers, you know, they gave us inputs. When we were expecting, the doctor called us and asked us that, you know, be ready anytime they can
So
just come out.
for the munchkins, for the two-legged, who's the mummy and who's the daddy?
No, there are
कुछ
both
नहीं
of us
है?
are mummies, both of us are
हाँ,
daddies.
ये भी है ना.
Right, नहीं, ऐसा
पूछना मेरे
बिल्कुल
को
नहीं
जरूर-
है.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है ना.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
ऐसा तो नहीं उनको फील होता है ये ज्यादा मम्मी टाइप है और ये
उनको
ज्यादा
नहीं
डैडी
नहीं, देखो
टाइप.
हमें ही नहीं
They
लगता
have
ऐसा.
seen
Yeah.
us only doing all the work,
So
household
they know.
work.
So then they don't have
और
any
हमारे घर में ना स्निग्धा ऐसा
कोई
है ही
discrimination
नहीं.
happening. Very good.
Right, to be
Yeah.
very honest, I
Everyone
think
should do
everything.
So कभी
every
ये
task.
खाना बना रहा था, कभी I am cooking. So it's
तो हमारे घर
never-
में ऐसा कुछ है ही नहीं.
Very
हमें लगता है
good.
I'm not right. I think we are not trying to undermine the importance of mothers.
Yeah.
We have two amazing mothers in our home, like my mother and his mother. So, and we have our sisters who are like
Yes.
extremely, you know, that quote unquote mother figure.
Mother.
But when you ask us, like, I believe that parenting is genderless.
Absolutely,
Right?
I agree.
So-
because what does a child at the end of the day
Correct.
needs? Love,
Love.
affection, warmth.
Yeah.
अगर ये है तो जेंडर से क्या फर्क पड़ता है? I mean, this is what people need to understand कि why do people talk about this कि mother ये करेगी, father ये करेगा. ये जो बनाना ये किसने किया? सोसाइटी ने किया
Society ने
ना.
किया ना.
आज हमको हम जब देखते हैं पुराने जमाने में we see a patriarchal society. Why? Because it was brought. तुम घर का काम संभालो, ये बाहर से काम करके पैसे कमा के लाएगा. Why is this mindset in those that generation? Today things have really changed because both earn, both work, both take care, both are parents.
Correct.
So
or even if both don't earn,
it's
okay.
perfectly fine. उनकी मर्जी.
उनकी मर्जी.
उनकी
Like, you know,
मर्जी.
so
They know how to
at
take
the-
care.
At the end of the day, see, and also while, you know, another interesting thing which we observe, right, when we talk about equal parenting and all,
Yeah,
which is
yeah,
becoming
the
very
absolute norm now.
absolute norm.
Absolute
But there
norm.
is still a, you know, gender bias to that. If you and I'm sure a lot of your, you know, listeners and audience will agree to
Agree
it.
to this.
That when you see that, you know, people say modern age couples are equal parents,
हाँ.
but when it comes to doing the craft homework,
हाँ.
the mother is expected to do it.
हाँ.
When
क्यों?
when
Why
it's the
is that?
maths homework, it is the
फिर
father.
हाँ.
अगर फुटबॉल क्लास के लिए लेके जाना है तो
तो फिर
पिताजी
वो
लेके
पिताजी
जाते
लेके
हैं.
जाएंगे, हाँ.
अगर सिंगिंग क्लास के
Singing,
लेके जाना है
dance,
तो माँ
माँ,
लेके
हाँ,
जाएगी.
ये-
मतलब there is, you know,
There's
अगर
a brain-
there is, हाँ, अगर सुबह उठ के टिफिन पैक करना हुआ तो माँ करेगी. लेकिन
और
अगर
प्यारों
बस
के
में
बाहर
बस
पे
स्टॉप
छोड़ने जाना है तो father ही करेगा.
Like, you know, so
That is
while we are
so
talking
true.
about equal
Yes,
parenting,
we
but there is a
still-
fine line of gender
We
even
still
there.
have that, yeah.
But हमारे घर में by design and construct वो है ही नहीं.
It's
तो
just the
आज-
mindset, यार.
आज
It's just the
हमारे घर
mindset.
में I think my parents, as I said, have been living with us from pretty much early. Now my parents-in-law, you know, his parents also live with us.
Wow.
We all live together.
So
right? So
lovely.
it's a, you know, my
It's like
parents,
a
his
beautiful
parents,
family together.
our 4 babies, all of us.
Oh, wow.
So everything that the kid is supposed to get, a wholesome
Is
house,
getting.
they're getting it. Right? So there is, and the beauty is there, growing up seeing both their fathers
हाँ.
playing equal roles.
Right.
So उनके दिमाग में ये माँ का काम है, ये फादर का काम है, ये तो है ही नहीं. और वो हमें लगता है कि ये बहुत सही बात है कि जब वो बड़े होंगे तो उनको ये डिस्टिंक्शन नहीं दिखेगा,
होना चाहिए.
right?
Yeah.
They will see mother figures at
Yeah.
home for sure. Their
Yeah.
their, you know, their buas are there,
They
their
will
chachis are
see,
there,
for sure.
their grandparents are there, grandmothers are there. So that feminine thing, that, you know, feminine
They
love,
will get.
they will get,
will
and they're
get.
getting enough and more of
Enough
that,
and
perhaps
more.
much more than the so-called straight couples and their
Actually,
kids.
right.
Right? So a lot of our straight friends come to us and say this, that we find it difficult to live with our parents today. You guys are living with your in-laws also, hats off.
हाँ.
Right?
बात
So-
सही है. बात सही है क्योंकि वहाँ पे ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं, लोगों को फील होती
और
है.
हमें लगता है भाई हमने तो हमेशा से सपने ये चाहा था, ये हमारा सपना था.
I think it was a true manifestation
Correct.
which has taken shape, and God bless you both with your families. Coming to my next, you know, this is also there in my head. See, when you talk about acceptance, right? एक होता है acceptance by your family because this is the close encounter that you're having every single day, right? But have you really bothered about the acceptance by the society? कभी ऐसा आपको लगा है कि अगर accept नहीं कर रहे हैं society तो आपको difficulty लगता है या you're now just got seasoned to it? Mike, would you like to? Because I can see his expression like no, कुछ तो बोलना चाह रहे, बोलो.
So I'm like, मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता. right?
फर्क नहीं
So,
पड़ता. Okay.
uh,
It really doesn't
if,
matter.
If they want to accept or not, it's up to them, right?
Acha.
So if they,
So you've not gone out of your way to make anybody in the society accept you? Is that what I understand?
No,
या फिर you have taken efforts?
say, if they want, that is up to them. So if they want to take an effort to learn things or you know make them understand what kind of family setup
Is
is
this?
this. So we tell openly about ourselves,
Okay.
like we two are a couple,
Huh.
these are our kids.
Okay, हाँ.
So
Okay.
it's up to them if they want to accept or not.
Okay.
So,
But they have been curious.
Yeah,
yeah, yeah, everybody they are
मतलब
curious.
Indians by
भरे
nature
हुए हैं
are
ना
curious,
ऐसे ही चल
वो
रहे हैं
चलते हैं,
तो
मतलब
भाई
आप
इसने ये
रास्ते में
पहना
खड़े
हुआ
होके दो आदमी
तो भी
लड़े
देखो,
होते हैं, 50
तो
आदमी
भी
ऐसे
50
खड़े हो जाते
खड़े
हैं,
क्या
curious
चल रहा है,
क्या
क्या
चल
चल
रहा है, क्या
रहा
जानने के
है.
लिए.
This is our country is
Right,
very
that's
curious,
very
intrigued
curious.
about
Which is
every
good,
damn
which
thing
is good. Curiosity
happening.
leads to a lot of inventions
A
and
lot of
discoveries,
inventions,
so
for
all
sure.
good.
Yeah.
So हमारी family की जहाँ
So
तक बात
given
आती
an
है,
understanding, you're in a gated community, aren't you?
Yeah,
So you have
absolutely.
like a whole lot of people around you, with you. So was the society as an association okay with this? Like, I'm just asking
See,
a
again,
question which might help people.
absolutely. See, I think to be very honest,
Hmm.
right? What he was saying, we are out there, right? So we have
You're
never
not hiding
tried to
anything.
hide
We are not
anything.
कुछ छुपा नहीं रहे,
Right?
ये
कुछ
हम हैं.
हम डर के
हाँ.
या कुछ
हाँ,
apprehension के
then I
साथ
think
किसी
फिर
ने
ज़्यादा
कुछ
problem हो
पूछा कि
जाती है.
भाई तो हम सहम गए, वैसा कुछ नहीं है, right?
You're
We
just
are
open
very
about
very
it.
proud
Very
of the
open.
family that
Honest
we have built,
and transparent.
and we are out there. So somebody is asking us, we go and tell what the truth is, right? Equally, I don't think that straight couples don't go saying that we are straight, right?
Ah,
Equally, we don't go out saying that we
Okay,
are gay, we are gay, right?
right, हाँ.
So आप अगर आके मेरे से पूछ रहे हो तो आपको वही जवाब मिलेगा जो सच है. अब
और
उस
अब तो
सच्चाई
law ने
को-
भी
Correct, अभी law भी we are no longer criminals in India,
Yes.
so there
My
is
God,
there is
you've used a very powerful and strong word, but
that
actually,
is true. That is
yahi,
true.
That is
this
right.
is how you all must have felt
Yeah,
way back
we
then,
of course
no?
felt that.
Very
And-
sad though, but क्या करें अभी.
तो
that's how.
अभी सामने वाला कैसे उस चीज को ले रहा है वो उसके ऊपर है. तो we've had instances where we've had bad experiences
Yes.
where somebody did not like it.
हाँ.
We've had great experience and somebody loved it, right? And luckily for us, I think we've had greater
Better.
experiences much more, right? We also believe that it's
More
not-
of the better experiences.
Absolutely.
Okay.
So in the gated community also people know us.
हाँ.
Our social media handles are there, which
Yeah.
is open. We are very active.
I love your social media handle, by the way.
So
we will be tagging them, and this is in collaboration with the page. You must see their posts. I mean, I love them. I enjoy them because there's so much of quirkiness in it. See, it's not just about putting it up there like being awareness all the time. भाई हमको ज्ञान नहीं चाहिए. ये ज्ञान
नहीं,
का
ऐसा
क्या
page-
है सब
ऐसा
जिसने
page
लेना
है ही
ज्ञान.
नहीं हमारा.
हाँ,
So
that
we
is why I
always say
love
that
your
it's
page
like
because
ours
it's
is all
fun.
about love.
That's what it's fun. It's love. It's quirk. I just
It's
love
got everything.
It's
Like
got
our regular
पूरा
घर पे पूजा
मसाला.
हो रहा है
I
वो
love
भी है,
it.
and we are doing मस्ती वो भी है.
I just love
Right?
it.
So
Yeah.
I think, and I think that's the beauty, right? So we've at the school of our kids, now kids are going
हाँ
to
ये
school.
ये एक बहुत जरूरी.
तो हमने
How
जब
does
ये
the-
ये इम्पोर्टेंट है
हाँ,
बताना
हाँ.
कि हम जब बच्चों के लिए स्कूल कॉन्टेम्पलेट कर रहे थे
Yeah.
और ढूंढ रहे
हाँ,
थे कि
हाँ.
कौन से स्कूल में भेजे, तो
हाँ,
हमारे
हाँ.
लिए हमेशा ये क्लियर था कि वी विल गो अहेड एंड टू द स्कूल वी विल टेल एग्जैक्टली व्हाट वी आर एज अ
because
फैमिली.
tomorrow at the outset is always better.
Absolutely.
है ना?
And see, one of the things again which we believe in is the fact that what do we normally tend to hide? Things which we are unsure of, or things
Exactly.
which we are not
Or-
proud of, things
Yeah.
which we know we are doing wrong.
Yeah,
but we
guilt
are-
is there. हाँ.
right? ये सारी चीजें हैं जो humans normally
That's why वो
छुपाना
छुपाता
चाहते
है.
हैं.
Yeah.
Right? हमारे केस में ये चीज तो है ही नहीं.
Yeah.
We are very proud of what we have done.
Very good.
We are very honest about our decision.
Absolutely.
So why do we hide?
Yeah.
Right? And today again, as we said, that India, of course, there's some distance that we still need to cover,
Yeah.
quite a few. But and I think the distance that we've
But
covered.
my God, we've come a long
Long
way.
way.
We've
Long
come a
way.
long
Long
way.
way.
It's
So I think-
evolved. अभी तो India has evolved. Of course,
Absolutely.
बहुत time
बहुत-
लगेगा और
बहुत time
developed
लगेगा.
होने के लिए, लेकिन we are
We are
on
there.
that
We are
path.
there. Absolutely.
हम नहीं तो जनरेशन अगली तो देखे.
Definitely.
मेरा बस
definitely,
वही है होप कि
definitely,
भाई
definitely.
अगला जनरेशन देख ले.
Definitely. So स्कूल के बारे में भी जब हम देख रहे थे तो हमारा ये बहुत क्लियर था कि we will have to be very honest to the school that we were contemplating,
Yes.
right?
Okay.
And to all the schools we went and we said, and good for us that most of the schools had absolutely no issues, no
अच्छा.
apprehensions, no issues,
Okay.
right?
Great. That's
Yeah.
amazing.
And one very 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 wholesome experience
Uh-huh.
that we will share. In
Uh-huh.
fact, two.
Uh-huh.
One is so when the school that they go to today,
Uh-huh.
and so when we went there, and of course the admin lady was very welcoming and
Huh.
very warm towards us.
By this time she knew obviously.
Yeah, we
हाँ.
shared the
Because
story. yeah,
admission
yeah.
तो
So
हाँ,
हम
okay.
बोल रहे थे हमारे बारे में, and
हाँ,
so
हाँ.
they accepted and they gave us the admission form.
Okay.
So that was a physical form that hard
Yeah, you
copy,
have
and
to
we had to fill.
fill.
So in the form there was one box which says that father's photo
Oh man.
and mother's photo, mother's name and details. So we asked her that so इसमें तो एक में तो हम हमारे में से एक का फोटो डाल देंगे, दूसरे का क्या करें. तो इसे दूसरे में आप दूसरे का फोटो डाल दो and mothers को काट के fathers लिख दो. So I think while the ideal thing is guardian 1, guardian 2,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Or maybe just guardian 1,
हाँ.
right? That's the ideal. But
Yeah.
we are taking a step towards that direction. Today that school said that somebody might come in and say that school को ऐसा form बनाना ही नहीं चाहिए. Bhai, it's a journey.
Yeah.
It's a journey for everybody, right?
Yeah, why do you
Yeah,
have
so-
to write that,
yeah,
right?
so-
Parent 1, parent 2 is
हाँ,
just
but वो
anytime,
वहाँ
right?
पे जाएगा.
जाएगा,
वहाँ पे
time लगेगा.
But
Time
for
लगेगा.
that to also happen, this is a start. When the
I don't know if you remember, maybe I'm sure you'll remember. This has been like quite some time. I think 15-20 साल तो हो ही गए होंगे इस बात को, where the mother is given the the platform or the elevation of a parent. पहले क्या होता था?
fathers,
Father
everything is
होता था
fathers,
ना?
everything
But
fathers.
that thing has changed. So
Changed.
ये सारा कुछ change होने में जब
होगा.
इतना टाइम लगता है तो ये भी
और
होगा.
देखो चेंजेस मतलब मेरे ख्याल से टू बी फेयर टू द सोसाइटी आल्सो लाइक सोसाइटी में चेंज तब आता है जब उनको दिखता है
हाँ,
ऐसे
कि ऐसा
एग्जांपल्स
हो रहा
दिखते
है,
हैं
ऐसा हो रहा
अगर वो
है.
दिखेगा ही नहीं तो फिर उनको लगेगा ऐसा एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करता
Because law आने में जब इतना टाइम लग गया.
correct
तो
so
फिर
I think
acceptance
we
तो-
take it very positively
Okay.
right so today we made that change in
Wow.
their school's ID card we have our kids photos and in their parents we have both our photos
How lovely.
right so it's very
Wonderful.
wholesome very
Yeah,
very
this
wholesome
is a beautiful
right?
experience you
So I
shared,
think
yeah.
there's
Very heartwarming, huh? Very
So
heartwarming.
we feel very proud of
Yeah.
that. The second instance is, there was a family day at school,
Huh.
and where the entire family was,
coming.
all parents were supposed to come, and all barring ours was, heterosexual families.
Huh.
And so everybody had to go on the stage and introduce their families,
Okay.
right? And we had to also go and
Huh.
introduce ourselves to the families, and we decided, and it was impromptu, right?
Huh.
We didn't prepare and
Huh.
all because we didn't know that
Huh.
we had a segment like that where we had
We
to
have
go
to
and,
go up and
introduce.
talk. Huh,
Yeah,
huh.
so we went up on stage and we very proudly spoke about our families, and we said that of course all you families are very very beautiful families, fathers, mothers. Ours is also a very beautiful family, just that there are two fathers,
Oh.
right? And the good part was we were so well received. Right, see again, we don't live in an utopian world where we believe that everybody would have accepted us.
Yeah, उसमें
I'm sure उस group में
रहेंगे.
भी there were hundreds of families, कोई तो होगा जो accept नहीं कर रहा होगा. लेकिन majority of the people have been so loving
So
and
loving.
accepting of us.
Amazing.
Today, we are
So that
part
change
of.
really
So
touches
the other thing,
you.
when you say parent groups in school
Yeah, yeah.
WhatsApp,
There
how
are
many
many
fathers are there?
Yeah,
So
actually.
you can
सारे
ask your
mothers,
audience,
ये
सारे
बात
mothers
सही
हैं,
है.
क्यों हम
सारे mothers.
equal parenting की बात करते हैं तो fathers क्यों नहीं
Exactly.
होते?
क्यों?
Right?
क्यों?
But हमारे उसमें भी हम ही हैं.
Yes.
We are there.
Yeah.
So I think it's been, that journey has been very very beautiful. So
Amazing.
the schools have also been, the school really, in the last annual day we were awarded the the best parent
Wow.
by the school.
Oh.
Because I think all parents are equally
Huh,
good,
huh.
so
Huh.
we don't take any credit away from any of the parents, but I think they had some criteria of how involved you are,
You are
how you
in the
participated in school
upbringing
activities,
of a child.
etc.
Yes, yes,
So
absolutely.
they had their criteria,
Amazing.
and so we were very
So
happy.
so फिर भी मेरे दिमाग में एक चीज आ रही है. I'm very sure कि even the viewers will have this, because when I'm having, I'm sure. सबका तो ठीक है, बच्चों का क्या? How did the Munchkins, have they faced this difficulty where people have asked them something and they have not been able to handle it? कुछ भी ऐसा, कभी कोई instance ऐसा?
I think recently it happened in school
What?
or somewhere.
Somebody would have asked
maybe
or
one of
said.
their friends only asked them, and our daughter was telling well back home, like
Acha.
somebody asked me in the school,
Huh.
where is your mom? So she told like there are Papa and Daddy with us. There's
Okay.
no mother.
अच्छा, so this is how they call you, Papa
Yeah,
and
Papa
Daddy?
and Daddy.
Who's Papa?
He is Papa
And
and Daddy.
Papa is
And why? कुछ तो सोच के
Yeah,
क्या होगा
हमारे
उन्होंने?
because हमारा जो 4-legged है,
हाँ.
उनके
They
साथ
also
भी
call
वही
you
है. So I'm
Papa,
Daddy,
Daddy.
he is Papa.
Okay, so
वो
they
भी
how
वो शुरू
lovely.
से चलता आ रहा है.
शुरू से Papa and Daddy. Okay. Oh, so they
So
she
she only
actually
told,
responded
yeah.
that. Wow. And so
And
they,
our son also, he also tells like if he sees in the TV,
हाँ, तो
like
क्या
I
बोलते हैं
was
वो
watching Ganesha one day.
yes. हाँ.
So when Shivji and Parvati
हाँ,
Ji was
हाँ.
sitting, so he was telling his mother like, जैसे इनके शिवजी और पार्वती जी हैं,
हाँ.
वैसे
गणेश जी के
हमारे
लिए.
पापा और डैडी.
Oh,
So,
wow.
and
And
So-
they are pretty young now,
Yeah.
so when they
No, they-
grow, we'll give them
they're-
correct
Yeah, I
information.
think have
Yeah.
you actually discussed amongst yourself about this, that you will be sitting them and
Yeah.
giving them the right
So we've
kind
started
of
doing that
education.
already. We've started, reading them
Thoda,
books.
thoda, हाँ.
There are books which talks about different
Because they're
kind
way
of
too young
families.
now.
Yeah,
अभी
Yeah, so
बहुत छोटे हैं.
information has to be given in an age appropriate manner,
Absolutely.
right? So
That's what
we
I'm
can't
saying कि
really
कोई
inundate.
अगर अगर उनको बहुत कुछ बोले,
हाँ.
they shouldn't get disturbed, right?
One of the things which we believe in, Snigdha, is the fact that we trying to bring them up in a way where they can come and tell us everything. Right, so अगर बाहर दुनिया बोलेगी, right, not everybody out there is a good person,
Yeah.
right, and
Yeah.
we cannot be with our kids all the time.
All the time, yeah.
It is not
Yeah.
possible, not possible
Yeah.
for any
For
parent.
any parent, yeah.
So what do a parent do, right? What they need to do is just
Make them
empower
aware.
them,
Yes.
right, so that they can face the world,
Right.
and that is the only thing which is there in your control. जो आपके कंट्रोल में नहीं है उसके बारे में सोच के you can get worked up,
Yeah.
and of course there are
जो
days when we
आपके
feel
control में
worried,
नहीं है, हाँ.
but when we hear about so many
Yes,
things which are
yes.
happening around us as a parent, I'm sure you are a parent, and
Yes, yes.
a lot of your viewers are parents who
Absolutely.
will understand and
Yeah.
they'll feel scared, right, today what is
We
happening
do,
around the
yeah.
world. But what do we do about it? We will only have to empower our kids with the
Yes.
right power, right, and that's what we are trying
Educate
to
them
do.
the right way.
Right way, bring
Yeah.
them up the right
Yes.
manner, give them the right values, make them
Yes.
good human beings.
Yes.
And with good human beings, I don't mean weak human beings.
Yeah.
So when somebody
You
is
have to be
hitting
very
you, hit them
strong.
back. Right, so you have to be
Yes.
strong.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right, so you
Yeah.
can't be timid.
Huh.
Right, you will have to be a good human being is something who knows what is the good thing to do at that
Yeah.
point of time.
Yeah.
Right, and if giving back is the right thing to do
Yeah,
at that point
यानी
of
कि
time, you
मार रहा है,
have to give
मारने
back.
दो.
बोल रहा है,
बोलने
बोलने दो. That's
दो,
not.
no.
We don't want them to be weak.
Yeah.
Right.
No.
So that that's one of the things. The other is, of course, we read them books. The
Yes.
other is in our friend circle.
Huh.
We
They
have
have.
amazing kinds of families, right? We have regular straight couples with kids,
I'm sure.
straight couples without kids,
Yes.
single parents.
Yeah.
We
Yes.
have queer parents, we
Yeah.
have queer couples, we have queer singles, we have, you name it. We have, trans couples, right? We have a lot of different kinds of friends in our friend circle.
So your community really helps.
So, and when the kids are growing up, they are seeing all different kinds of families around them.
so they
which are-
almost
they know that सब family है और
ये
सब
बचपन
अपने-
से है तो
अपने-
और अच्छा हो गया
अपने
ना,
उसमें
because
खुश हैं, अपने अपने लाइफ में खुश हैं, of course.
ये exposure really helps.
And we try, and this is not something which we are intentionally trying. This
It's
is
just-
what our circle
yeah.
is, and this is how we have built our,
Yeah.
as they say, the chosen family.
Yeah.
So our chosen family is this. सब
Amazing.
तरीके के लोग हैं.
Amazing.
हमारे cousins हैं, मेरे भैया हैं, भाभी हैं, उनके बच्चे हैं, right? Very very interesting. So my cousins, they live in Calcutta. My भैया भाभी, they have 2 9-year-old kids, and they get so excited when they see us on TV. So वो अपने
Oh.
दोस्तों को जाके दिखाते हैं अपने स्कूल में कि देखो मेरे चाचा हैं,
How
right? And
nice.
in Calcutta. Right,
Wow.
which you would like to say is in a middle class Calcutta.
I'm
kind of,
definitely, yeah,
right?
I
So,
belong there, of course, not, I mean, being a Fauji kid, but knowing the
Yeah.
roots of Kolkata.
So I think there is so and the kids are growing up seeing all of that,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So there is, I think one of the what kids learn is what their parents teach,
That is true.
right? So if a kid is homophobic,
Yeah.
that's because the parents are homophobic.
That is true.
Right, so if you tell them that no, वो परिवार गलत है,
हाँ.
that's when the
तो
kid
वो-
grows up thinking that वो ऐसे परिवार गलत है.
It's a mindset ना, आप कैसे करोगे उसको.
तो हमारे केस में ऐसा नहीं है.
Very nice,
right? And,
amazing. I think I would say every parent should learn this from you guys.
I
Yeah.
think we also keep learning
I
from
mean,
our
this is very
many parents.
amazing. This
So,
is such a beautiful lesson that you have.
एक चीज और मैं
actually-
बोलूँगा, right? I think it's not that we don't get impacted. Of course,
हाँ.
when we hear negative things, it's human, right? You
Human,
feel
yeah.
sad, you feel
Emotions है भाई.
Yeah, सबके आते हैं.
सबके होते हैं.
राइट, लेकिन एक मैंने कहीं चीज़ एक पढ़ी थी जो बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है और मेरे साथ रह गई. So if you know that eagle is a majestic bird, right?
Yeah.
And there's only one bird which disturbs an eagle, which is a crow, right? So when an eagle is flying high, a crow goes and sits on the eagle's back and continuously pecks the eagle. The eagle, of course, gets disturbed, gets hurt, right? But what does the eagle do? It does nothing, but it continues to fly
Yeah.
and soar higher.
Right.
So as and how the eagle keeps getting altitude,
Soaring high, huh?
right? The crow is not meant to be at that height. They are not meant to be at that height. That's why they are a crow. So after a point of time, the crow fails to get oxygen,
Yeah.
and asphyxiates and falls off the back. and the eagle continues to fly and gain height.
That's why.
Right? And it's not only for us as queer couples, but for anybody who wants to fly high. There will be crows who will sit on back of you.
Hundreds of them.
Just ignore them.
Hundreds of them.
Right?
I've been there plenty of times. Been there, done that, and kept soaring high. That's it. That's all. Your focus should be.
And the wind beneath the wings for the eagle is your family, is your friend, are your friends, are your support systems, which you will have many and plenty. So that support system will keep you pushing higher, and you will just have to continue doing that. And those crows that will come and sit on your back, they will
They'll fall off. Amazing, amazing. That was amazing. So coming to my last, in fact, last but not the least, because after this there's some surprise for you too as well. But when we were talking about people talk about being different, and I don't understand this concept of being different. What makes you different? Actually nothing, but it's just a mindset, right? So would you like to give kind of some message, especially to the gay couples, if they are not that confident? What is that one thing that you would say forget about at least the gay couples, think about the viewers in general. Could be anybody watching us, hearing out, yeah? Is there any message that you would say that it's a myth about the gay couples that you would like to bust today, right now, right here? Is there any myth that you think is there lingering all over and you want to bust that?
So many. You want to...
Aap ek or aap ek?
Queer couples can be good parents.
Okay. So a myth can be कि भाई ये लोग parents कैसे बन सकते हैं? So you bust that right now, right here. Because look at them. They're a standing example.
I think.
What about you? One of those
queer people or queer couples are commitment phobic. They don't seek love. They seek only.
And look at you,
physical,
13 years and counting.
So there is lack of loyalty. There is lack of commitment.
Acha. That's a myth. You feel
that's
a big myth. Okay.
So I think I think thinking that every gay couple is like this is a myth.
Yeah.
Right. So
right. So let's not generalize.
Right. So but the world out there thinks that अगर आप gay हो, अगर आप queer हो, तो आप ऐसे ही होगे. Right. So
that's something you wanted to bust.
Right.
Amazing.
So I think that is something which we strongly believe in, and we I think as individuals, as humans, we all need to respect each other's life choices.
Right.
Unless somebody is doing something illegal, coming and killing somebody, right? That's a different thing.
Yeah.
But otherwise, if somebody is living their life and they're happy in their lives, let them be.
Just let them be.
Who are we to judge?
Who are we to judge? Exactly.
Right?
Who are we to judge?
Right. So I think we know a lot of queer people. They love their life of they don't like commitment, they don't like to settle down, they don't want
It's their
kids.
way,
It's
their life.
It's their way, their lives. And why only queer people?
Yeah.
Aren't there straight people who love to live life like that, free, unattached,
Totally,
right?
no strings attached.
No strings attached.
ऐसे ही चलेगा,
right?
ऐसे जितने जब तक चलेगा.
जब तक चलेगा. वो उनके हुआ है. I think this myth is very, very strong with the gay community.
Honestly speaking, there's one lesson I think even viewers in general should take away from the whole episode is that staying committed in any relationship is hard only if their mind wavers. अगर आपको पता है कि आपको लाइफ से क्या चाहिए, so you know कि मुझे कौन चाहिए, then it really doesn't matter. और partner can be anyone. मुझे तो लगता है एक बच्चा भी आपका पार्टनर हो सकता है भाई, अगर वो आपका कंपेनियन है. तो क्या गलत है तो है, ऐसा है. So this is something people always keep saying, कैसे कमिटमेंट करें, अरे कैसे कमिटमेंट नहीं, हमको तो ना बांध दिया शादी में, तो हमको तो रहना, हम कैसे निकले यहाँ से, बिकॉज सोसाइटी क्या बोलेगी, पेरेंट्स को कैसा लगेगा, फलाना डिंकाना, आई डोंट नो हाउ मेनी थिंग्स कीप गोइंग, एंड दिस इज all here because of the society that has been pushing all of us to think this way. So an amazing episode, but here's not where we end. Now you know what I'm going to try, कि जो मेरा रैपिड फायर होगा, ठीक है. हाँ, वैसे तो मैंने किसी भी चीज के लिए आप लोगों को प्रिपेयर बिल्कुल नहीं किया है, but you knew कि you're coming for a podcast. That was the only prep you had in your mind. But rapid fire round. So one question and one. So ऐसे alternate, 5 each चलेगा? ठीक
Do
है?
we get the hamper at the end of
ओए
it?
भगवान, अच्छा अभी हम लोग ना स्पॉन्सर्स ढूंढ रहे हैं. We definitely will in future if all goes well. I really hope that this
I'm
goes
sure
and
it
takes
will,
in
I'm
that
sure.
where people come and say, you know what, we want to support you as much as possible. But now is the time for the rapid fire. ठीक है? Let me see if you can handle that fire from my end. ठीक है? Yeah. So rapid fire round. Live, love, life unfiltered. ठीक है? So the first one, I'll go with Mayank because स्वागत है, तुम सारा टाइम आप ही बात करोगी, मैं को बात करने दो यार.
सारा पूरा रैपिड फायर इससे करवा लो.
अब वो डर गया. नहीं इनसे नहीं, सौगाता को बोलने दो जो उसको भी बोलना है. But I love this combination. You know, we always say एक companionship में थोड़ा सा होना चाहिए.
दोनों बोलेंगे तो
दोनों बोलेंगे, सुनेगा कौन?
Correct.
ये बोले चुप चुप मेरी सुन.
लेकिन ये इतना भी क्वाइट नहीं है.
नहीं है क्या?
कभी घर आओ
This
फिर
is-
पता चलेगा.
आप बुलाओ तो आएंगे. नहीं
कभी भी आ
seems like more reticent, I would say. I wouldn't say he's reserved. He's more reticent. A lot of people are like that who
Are
prefer to
you?
speak less, but they have a whole lot of same emotions going in. So first this one, let me see how creative you can get with this. So if your love story was a movie, what name would you give it? आप हेल्प नहीं करोगे.
नहीं, मैंने
Rapid
किया.
fire सिर्फ
इससे शुरू होना चाहिए.
ये गलत
ये
है.
बॉलीवुड
देखा?
बफ है.
ये बॉलीवुड बफ है. देखो कैसे पास ऑन कर
देखा,
रहे
मैंने
नहीं,
बोला ना
नहीं,
ये
नहीं,
मुझे
नहीं ये हिम ओनली ही
रैपिड
ओनली
फायर है,
हैज
थिंक नहीं करता.
आई नो
हाँ,
एग्जैक्टली.
मतलब
रैपिड फायर है, थिंक नहीं कर सकते. जो आपके फर्स्ट दिमाग में आए, आपकी लव स्टोरी को मूवी का नाम.
लव आजकल.
लव आजकल. ओके
1 or 2.
3.
ओके 1 or 2 or 3. आई लव दैट.
But I like
आज-
the name actually.
अच्छा है.
Very
लव
nice,
आजकल.
good.
देखो गुड इज देखो. अच्छा नाउ द सेकंड वन इज योर्स. वो मूवी तो बन गई.
हाँ.
अब उसमें एक ऐसा गाना, कपल सॉन्ग दैट यू वुड चूज कि भाई इट हैज टू बी देयर. अब ये बॉलीवुड बफ है तो बोलना ही पड़ेगा. अ कपल सॉन्ग फिट्स द टू ऑफ यू लाइक एप्ट.
So I think for me it is because you know as I'm yet जो मैंने पहले बोला था, very cute looking guy, he still is, you know, my heart beats equally fast when I see him. So it has to be, you know, चेहरा है या चांद के.
ओह वाओ.
For me it is this.
सागर. अरे वाह. Hey,
मैंने
that's
बोला था ना.
ये ब्लश कर रहा है. ये ब्लश कर रहा है. ओके नाउ थर्ड वन गोइंग बैक टू यू मयंक. ओके हु इज द बिगर ड्रामा क्वीन? अपने ऊपर.
It's our daughter, okay?
नहीं आप टू ऑफ यू मस्ट टू ऑफ यू.
He will
पक्का
agree.
100%.
Okay.
मुझे भी लग ही रहा है. ओके क्या होता है यार? एक्सेप्ट करो ड्रामा क्वीन आप ही ज्यादा हो.
तो उसके लिए ड्रामा करके एक्सेप्ट करना पड़ेगा ना. इजीली थोड़ी एक्सेप्ट कर सकता
And
हूँ.
who's the this is not part of the question, but so drama queen आप हो, who's the peacemaker?
That also I am.
क्या ये लगता तो यही है यार.
नहीं.
मुझे तो मयंक लग रहा है.
नहीं आप इनको
वो
थोड़ी
डिपेंड्स ऑन द सिचुएशन.
ये आइस आपने ये ना आइसबर्ग है ये वन you know
और-
1/6
और
है
is
ये.
it the deceptive looks?
No, it is.
हाँ?
It could be that.
Could be, हाँ? अच्छा मैंने एक्चुअली सोचा कि ड्रामा क्वीन ये है लेकिन पीसमेकर ये है.
नहीं, बिल्कुल भी
It
नहीं.
depends on the situation.
अब ड्रामा क्वीन भी वैसा ही है ना. ड्रामा क्वीन भी ऑन द
But
सिचुएशन पे
ज्यादातर
डिपेंड
तो-
करता है.
ज्यादातर
He-
he.
Drama
Oh,
queen
then
I
you
am.
take
I
drama
agree.
queen and peacemaker more of it.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. What's the most ridiculous reason you have ever fought for? कोई ऐसा मतलब बिरूम.
इसका तुम्हारा turn.
इसका टर्न है. अच्छा
बाप रे, हम सिर्फ रिडिकुलस रीजंस के लिए ही फाइट करते हैं. हमारे कोई मेजर फाइट्स होते ही नहीं है.
ऐसा कुछ होता है जो अक्सर होता है and that's a very ridiculous
अक्सर
reason.
ये है कि मतलब सी नॉर्मली ही डजंट स्लीप अर्ली राइट. ही स्लीप्स
Oh.
आफ्टर आई स्लीप. किसी दिन अगर ये सो गया पहले
डाल दो मेरे पे,
राइट, किसी दिन अगर ये सो गया
डाल
पहले
दो सब उस पे
तो
डाल दो.
मेरे ना पलक झपकने की आवाज से भी ये जाग
देखा-
सकता है. and that can become और
Can
जब वो
it be true? आप ही बताओ, can it be true?
It can be. Like, of course, I'm exaggerating.
ड्रामा क्वीन जो है हाँ
लेकिन मतलब एक हल्की सी आवाज से भी ये जाग सकता है. As recent as last night. So he slept early, and I was
He was watching reels, so
and
would
then
I
he
not
was like,
get affected?
बहुत धीरे बज रहा था.
तो
तो उससे
भी-
वो जाग
तो
मतलब उस
धीरे
I gave him the earphones.
दिया नहीं फेंका.
Okay. No. So that is one of the most
I think, see, very honestly, I'm saying that we only fight for silly reasons.
silly reasons,
So
which
we
is
don't
which is the best
कपड़े नहीं
thing.
मिल रहे हैं.
हाँ, तो भैया-
तुमने रखा था, कहाँ रख
कहाँ
दिया
रख
वो,
दिया,
नहीं
कैसे
मिल
रख
रहा
दिया,
है.
कहाँ ये नहीं हो रहा,
Right,
वो
so
नहीं.
it's like that.
All that. But which is the best thing, huh?
We don't have
कोई-
big fights. Big fights.
Should not.
Touch wood.
Absolutely touch wood, bhai. If your bedroom had a tagline, what would it be?
Let's see.
Messy?
With
Seriously?
two babies, two dog babies,
mess.
what do you
Total
expect
mess.
the room to be?
Okay.
Like, it
I give
can't
that
be-
to you. I give that to you. Oh, that's the tagline came like in a snap of a second.
But
yeah.
if for me, I'll say we make dreams.
Okay. We make messy dreams.
And love as well, but
Love it. But ठीक है यार, वो तो फिर tagline नहीं ना हो सकता. हाँ, वो tagline नहीं हो सकता. It's obviously expected. Who's more likely to cry during a movie?
100%.
हाँ? पूरा
100%.
मैं ना रोक दूँ इसलिए मैं बोल रही हूँ. इसलिए मैं पूछ रही हूँ. ये
एक ही
question
सीन
मैंने
को
इसलिए-
10 बार देखो,
मैं
तब
10
10
बार
बार ही रोऊंगा.
मैं भी मैंने सोचा अच्छा मैंने तो देख लिया मूवी, इस बार मैं नहीं रोऊंगी. I said and again I cry.
And I'm
And
like
what
a
makes-
total Bollywood
So
buff.
same here. I think
Right,
that's
so-
where I think I gave this answer only to I gave this question. मैंने कहा कोई मेरे तरह रोता है क्या? Let me find out from them. I'm so happy
I
यार.
will beat you.
हाँ?
I will
ना
beat you in
चांस
that
ही नहीं,
skill.
चलो साथ में चलेंगे मूवी. सच साथ में चले. ड्रामा क्वीन भी हो, रोती भी हो,
बस.
तो फिर तो बस हाई फाई ऑन दैट. हाँ, एक आप कंप्लीट करोगे, एक आप, ठीक है. दोनों के लिए एक नॉट अ फिल इन द ब्लैंक, कंप्लीट द लाइन, ठीक है. एक आप आपके लिए पहले कंप्लीट दिस. टुगेदर वी आर लाइक शैम्पेन एंड think of something creative and quirky, huh? Don't just say Weinstein and all. Together we are like champagne and
I don't know. Cheese.
champagne and cheese. Okay.
I would say champagne and glass.
नहीं, आपको मैं दूसरा
अच्छा,
दूंगी.
दूसरा.
दूसरा दूंगी, आपको एक क्यों दूंगी? Now this is the last one and this goes to you. Finish this. Love is love, but ours is. Love is love, but ours is.
Much more than love.
Hey, I didn't expect this from you. क्या स्वागत था? Much more than love. अरे कुछ तो सही बोलो, उसने तो एटलीस्ट चीज बोला, कुछ मतलब आया उसका. ये क्या? I expected you to say something way more creative.
Love is love and
Ours is?
I don't know. Now you're putting me a lot of pressure.
कि भैया क्रिएटिव है,
हाँ.
भैया ड्रामा क्वीन है, भाई इतना अच्छा बात करता है, अपनी बोल नहीं पा रहा है.
मदद चाहिए.
बोलो.
मदद चाहिए, करो मदद.
मदद करो. हाँ.
Because love is love, but yours is.
Friendship.
नहीं. Ours is a dream. Ours is, I don't know.
Ours-
Ours is
Dream,
yeah. Ours is a dream.
which is
So
also.
so I think yeah, it is a dream, right? I think yeah, I think dream is
Dream?
perfect. I think
Dream?
dream is
कुछ है आपके दिमाग में इसके लिए? कुछ चल रहा है आपका?
Magical dream, I would say.
Magical dream, amazing.
so I think this has always been a part
Ours
of
is
our
magic, yeah.
dream. Yeah, it's been a part of
Amazing.
our always. कई बार हम तो ये बोलते हैं कि it's not even dream because it's never been a part of our dream also. कि हमने सपने में भी नहीं सोचा था
मतलब कि
कि ऐसा हो
oh
सकता है.
yes.
So when
Right?
we see this, it's definitely a dream. Right? So it's,
Amazing. So, how was it? I'm sure that you all sensed a different sense of love. So, love is not just love. As they said rightly, it could be a dream, it could be magic, it could be beyond. Why not think about love being a world by itself? They've actually built a world around them with so much happening around them. As I said in the beginning, there's giggles, there's diapers, there's so much, everything happening around them. And I think this is one of the very, very beautiful episodes that I have had with Saugata and Mayank. And thank you so much for the support of coming and saying that, hey, I'm there with you. When I first got pinged you, I'll be very honest with you. I thought, पता नहीं सौगता सोचेगा क्या अभी ये कुछ नया स्टार्ट करिए इसके में जाके हम अपना क्या इतना जर्नी वर्नी बात करें. But when you agreed, like snap of a second, I was so honored and privileged to have both of you here.
So thank you so much. I
Thank you
think
so
Snigdha, I
much.
think firstly congratulations.
Thank you.
for,
I know it's just the
Prabhashi
beginning.
Patwari. I'm sure it's going to be as fab as you are.
Thank
right?
you.
So and it's an honor for us that you thought us to be worthy of your
Absolutely,
guests.
absolutely.
And we loved,
You're an
we
inspiration.
were absolutely
Thank you so
un-
much, and
unabashedly-
much more to us. And there's so much in store, and we'll do so much together. There's so much, stories never end. As they say, Prabhashi Potpourri is all about stories, adda, and vibes. Till we meet again, turn up the volume, stay tuned, and more stories, love, life, and everything else. Bye bye.